Welcome. Today we're going to walk through the simple steps to enable the Ask Every Time camera permission for the Dropbox app on your phone. This setting gives you more control over your privacy, ensuring Dropbox will always request your approval before accessing your camera. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you can manage all the permissions and preferences for your device. Next, scroll down and look for the section called Apps. On some phones, it might be labeled as App Management or Applications. Tap on it to see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Now, scroll through the list until you find Dropbox. Once you spot it, tap on the Dropbox app to open its information page. Inside the Dropbox app settings, you'll see an option called Permissions. Go ahead and tap on Permissions. This will show you all the features Dropbox can access, like your camera, contacts, and storage. Find Camera in the list. Tap on Camera to open the permission choices. Here, you'll see several options, such as Allow, Deny, and Ask Every Time. Select Ask Every Time. This means whenever Dropbox wants to use your camera, your phone will prompt you to allow or deny access in that moment. It's a great way to keep your privacy in check and make sure Dropbox only uses your camera when you say so. And that's it. You've now set Dropbox to ask for camera permissions every time it needs them. This quick adjustment helps you stay in control of your personal data and ensures your camera is only used when you want it to be. If you ever want to change this setting, just repeat these steps and choose a different permission option. Thanks for watching. For more helpful tips on managing your app permissions and privacy, don't forget to subscribe and check out our other videos. Stay safe and see you next time.